On this channel, we are going to be playing with my makeup. I'm going to be playing with my Barbies. I'm going to be doing fun things with my family. I'm going to be playing with slime. Since this is my first video, I'm going to be showing you guys my room. So this is my shopping area, and of course it's a mess though. Well, that's okay. So like this is like where I shop at, and then when I scan something, like something news, and it goes in the bag. So this is the grocery store. This is my cart with a lot of stuff in it. Of course there's a mess in there. So this is my kitchen. I have some soap. This is my plate, a cup, a teacup, and then like another plate. And this is my other food. I have a lot of food in this drawer. And this is my Barbie dream house where I play with all my dolls. I play with them like they walk somewhere, and this is my elevator. So this is the Mr. Grinch. He is so rude. He don't like Christmas, so he is breaking up the whole town. So this is my dress up area. So like I have my skirt, my doctor thing, and a dress. This is my doctor one that I put it on. See? This is my unicorn mask. Rah, 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 rah. I'm gonna show you my books. So my favorite book is like this because it has like the shape of a heart. It says you. I already know this book, so like I can read it to you guys like a little bit in here. Please, baby, please. I like this book because like the grandma's like saying, please, please, baby, go back to sleep. And then like he was eating, and then he put it on his head. That's my favorite part. So here's some of my bags. So this is my princess bag. This is document stuffings. I play with this bag every day. This is my Jamaica bag. My family got this at Jamaica. Jamaica is like far, far, far away, so we took like 2 airplanes. This is like from Jamaica. These are some of my bows. Some of them are downstairs because I always lose stuff downstairs. That's my color change one, what I got from my friend Malia. She don't like it, so I am going to show you guys my favorite thing around my room. So this is my bed, what is high up. Then like this is my fork. So like these are like my blankies, and so like I have a fancy Nancy one and a Mickey Mouse one. This, and I have a TV. So I have lights, and I'm gonna show you how they work. Like I like to look at this. And my lights like get red, see? So this is my baby bump bed. Just like mine, I have a bigger one and they have a smaller one. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe. Peace out.